Good morning, friend. I am Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to talk over an important topics which is indeed most needful for all of us. That topics is how to lead our life easy, burdenless. It is the bigger questions before all of us. We all want to lead a happy and easy life, but most among us do not do it. A very few among us leads the easy and happy life. They leads healthy life also. There is a great need to know the reason why a few people leads the happy life, easy life, and most of us do not lead the happy and easy life. Definitely, if we want to know the reason why it is being differences between a few people and most of the people, I think reason is very clear. That is the lack of humanity. Most among us are not behaving like the human. We are not having the habit. Our activities do not match to the activity of a person who are fully human. Here humanity, lack of humanity enable us to do mistake again and again, repeat the mistake. Not only this, but also our good relation is also breaking every day. We are also fearing to falling ill and also falling the prey of different kinds of diseases. We spend the sleepless night. We are not having the good relation among our family, neighbors, relation, and some other people like this. These types of the problems oftenly occur in life of most among us. Then what we should do to be human? Humanity depends on few things, few habits, like first leads the discipline life. Our life is really irregular. We are not satisfied with our life due to lack of irregularity of our activity. We do not tired what we do, but we tired by doing the irregular, improper manner. That makes us tired mentally and physically. If we do our all activity in a good way, in a good manner, then definitely more and more work we can do without feeling any tiredness. So first, do everything under the strict rule of discipline. Well behave not only for ourselves but for other self, even with a stranger. Deep satisfaction with what we have. Believe in ourselves as well as in God. We should also know that God is a powerful form of energy and it can adjust even in the smallest particle like atoms and molecules, and can also exist in the largest particle like elephants, whale, and some other largest animals and substances like this. So we should have the deep belief in God. We should always feel God exists around us in many different forms, and we can take help from them when we begin to fail in our efforts. Third thing that is also important to make our life easy and burdenless, that we should satisfy with our work. We should try to gain more and more deep knowledge about your profession, because we all are belonging to the different profession, and that profession have different kinds of the work. So we should have the deep knowledge about our profession. We do not form the habit of depending on others for our own work. Third things, that is also important in regards of being the human and having the properties of humanity. Give respect to others, either senior or junior. Both we should pay regards, because what we see, what we do, what we take return from other gives the permanent impression in our mind, leaves the permanent impression in our mind. That impression, that reflection live in our mind for a long time, and our activity, our energy and other things begin to work towards it. Next important things in regards of being the humanity is try to converge all our energy which are in a scattered form. From morning to evening we do a lots of things which has scattered our energy in many different direction and many different form. Some are necessary and some are also useless and not necessary. So we should think over it ki in which way we should conserve our, we should concentrate, we should conserve our energy at a point. That is also necessary, because if we have a good amount of energy in our body, definitely we can think well, we can do well, we can behave well, we can everything well, which is also necessary to having the property like humanity. It is humanity which only can make our life easy, fruitful and full of enjoyment and happiness. We can earn tremendous amount of money, but that amount of money what we are having now cannot give me peace and simple life, burdenless life. Most among us are found by saying that our life now become burden. We are counting the number of days of our life. I think I should leave from this world, because they become fed up from their life. This is not a good thing. Life is a wonderful gift of God, and soul in our body is a smallest form of God. So if God permits in our life, in our body, then we must not think like this. These types of thinking generates the negative energy in our life, in our body, and that negative energy never grant me to be form of humanity, to having the property of humanity. So a few things which we do regularly, which we make in our practical life, are these: maintain discipline, do all the activities under the strict rule of discipline, believe in ourselves as well as in God, behave with others, respect senior and junior, clarity should be shown in our activity, in our life. So life and activity should be transparent, which others can also read it and can follow something from it. Make and follow the strict routine of all the activity from morning to evening. Prefer vegetarian diet, because the diet which we eat should be easy digestible. If digest easily, definitely the nutrients what that food contains easily be absorbed by our body. These things is most necessary to be human, or having all the properties, all the features of humanity. What we look and what we wear, I mean body appearance, and the cloth we wear does not show our humanity. Our internal feature, which are not shown generally, it can be shown with our behavior, activity, should be appear before the people. What people say doesn't matter, but what we are doing has the matter. If these things form in our life, definitely our life become more easy, fruitful and burdenless, which is most needful things nowadays. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and if you want to something more on some other topics, also comment and send me the topics. Definitely I shall try my best to discuss over the topics selected by you in my next video, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.